Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change your Gmail password. First go to your Gmail account. Okay, let's start. Tap on Gmail account. Tap one Google icon. Tap one manage your Google account. Scroll down. Keep watching the video. Tap one security and sign in. Scroll down. Tap one password. Here are the main option to change. You need type the new password here. Okay. Keep watching the video. Have changed password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you watching video.